Turkish dramas never fail to captivate us, especially when it comes to stories of forced marriages that unexpectedly lead to deep emotions, painful choices, and powerful love. Today, we bring you the top 10 Turkish forced marriage dramas that you absolutely need to watch. Let's dive into a world where love begins with resistance. 1. Vendetta, Kin Sayskleri. The story of this drama revolves around Dila, a strong and determined young woman who dreams of building her future. But when tensions between two families rise, Dil is pushed into a forced marriage with Baran, a powerful man seeking revenge through union rather than violence. As two strangers bound by obligation, will they find love amidst resentment? To find out how their destiny unfolds, don't miss this gripping drama. 2. The Promise, Yemen. This touching tale follows Rehan, a village girl whose life is turned upside down after her uncle arranges her marriage to Emir, a wealthy city man. Emir initially resents the forced marriage, but as they navigate betrayal, pride, and heartbreak, their relationship begins to shift. Can true love grow from duty and disdain? Watch this emotional ride to see how their love is tested again and again. 3. In Another Life, Ad, Zehra. Zehra, a 22-year-old girl raised in a strict Turkish family in Germany, dares to escape her life in search of freedom. Her journey unexpectedly leads her to a mansion in Istanbul, where she is drawn into a dangerous web of secrets and hidden truths. Can she survive in a world she never asked to enter? To uncover Zehra's secret path, this drama is a must-watch. 4. Redbuds, KZL Gonkela. The drama is based on the emotional struggle of Miriam, who was forced into marriage at 14. Now, as a mother, she tries desperately to save her teenage daughter from the same fate. But the marriage takes place, and her daughter Zeynep's life takes an unexpected turn. Will this union break her spirit, or give her wings? To see what fate holds for Zeynep, dive into this moving drama. 5. Black Pearl, Sia Insi. Hajal, a young woman from a coastal town, is happily engaged to her childhood love Kenan. But their world is shaken when a wealthy and obsessive man enters the scene, convinced Hajal is a reincarnation of his dead wife. Can she escape a fate she never chose, or will love become her prison? Watch this intense tale to witness a love triangle like no other. 6. Flames of Desire, Hayat Arcs. This story begins with a childhood promise to families betrothed their children to heal a past rift. Years later, those children, now grown with dreams of their own, are forced into a marriage neither wants. As family secrets unravel, so do the lives they build. Will they rebel, or find something real in the ashes of obligation? To discover the twist of fate that awaits them, start watching now. 7. Legacy, Mnet. Seher's world turns upside down after her sister's death. She must care for her young nephew Yusuf, who lives with his cold and powerful uncle Yaman. To stay close to Yusuf, Seher enters Yaman's mansion, where tension, mistrust, and unexpected attraction bloom. Can warmth grow in a heart sealed by loss? Tune into this emotional story to see how love slowly finds a way. 8. Zembili, the Mystic. Set in a quiet town, this drama takes off when Mad returns from military service, only to learn that Esma, the woman he loves, is being forced into an arranged marriage. What follows is a dramatic struggle against tradition, rivalry, and buried secrets. Will Mad win Esma back before time runs out? To uncover the fate of this fiery love, you need to watch this drama. 9. Distant City, Uzak Sahir. Alia, a widowed mother, travels to Mardin for her husband's funeral. But her arrival sparks family tension, and her conservative in-laws insist she marry her late husband's brother, Sihan. As resistance turns to understanding, a surprising connection begins to grow. Can love really rise from pressure and loss? To see where Alia's heart takes her, this series is not to be missed. 10. Redemption, Ezaret. Orhun, a wealthy businessman, seeks revenge for his sister's mysterious death. He crosses paths with Hira, a quiet girl wrongly accused of murder. In a bold act of defiance, he marries her to humiliate his mother and uncover the truth. Will hatred transform into healing? To witness this battle between justice and redemption, watch till the end. Each of these dramas brings its own storm of passion, heartbreak, and resilience. Which one will you watch first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Drama Notion for more epic drama lists.